Nuteserk sent me this universal TV remote. So I'm gonna take a look at it, try and figure out how to use it, and figure out if the process is complicated getting it to work. First off, initial impressions, I like this design. It looks pretty good compared to other products I've received. I just think the color scheme is pretty good, and everything looks like graphically very well done. So trying to do this with one hand, but got the remote here. Looks like instructions are in there, and looking in the box, that's about it. So looking at this, we have a Ziploc bag. Hold on, had to get everything out with two hands. So let's take a look at these instruction pamphlets. If I had to guess, this is codes for how to get the controller connected to different TVs. Zooming in and looking close. Yeah, that looks about right. Let's see if at the top it has any specific instructions on. Nope, I think this is just a list of the codes. So let's go to this next insert, which I guess has more codes. So that last is probably a part 2 to this. So so yeah, that was a code table, and it looks like there is instructions on how to pair it to the TV. So I'm probably going to pause this and try to make sure that, the control has batteries in it for one, and to get this connected, and I'll tell you how that is after. Okay, so I did have to put in a couple of batteries, but I was happily surprised when I just hit the power button and our lights just turned off, maybe at the perfect time. So filming this in the dark. Here's the TV working. I need to see the remote. 1 second. Our lamp is on a strange timer, so I couldn't turn it off, and I didn't want to mess with it. But so looking at the remote, if I can get it to focus, so it's already seeming to do everything that I need to. There's the mute options, the volume. I know it's blurry because it's in the background, but there's a channel up and down going. Come on, go up, please. That took some time. I hope that's, I hope that wouldn't be an issue, but maybe that's just our DirecTV. So yeah, there's a couple of things. It's got a number pad. I don't know what these buttons do. Let's see if the instructions say anything on that. Not seeing anything in particular, but for the most part, I would prefer it not be as complicated, but I guess if I need one of the functions for it, I'll get to that when it gets there. But I'm happy with this so far. Not having to pair it or go through any complicated setup process is very, very nice. So I recommend this. I recommend trying it because my initial impressions have been pretty good.